and welcome back to What's in Store Fridays. I'm Mark Cockrell with the Culture and Heritage Museums, and we're going to show you what's in store on our online store, which we would love for you to visit. We've made a couple things in the past. Today I'm just going to show you some products that we carry in the store, but also how you can use a couple of the ingredients. So first we're going to talk about some of the products we have with the Adam's Apple Bourbon Bath. This is a great mopping sauce for your ribs or chicken. You just keep layering it, and by the end of the cooking time, it's a great sauce to use for Adam's Apple. And they are right here in South Carolina. Mrs. Sassard's Artichoke Relish. They've been in Charleston since 1917. It's obviously a tried and true relish. They have a big line of products, but this was the one that they started with. It's great on hot dogs. You can treat it like a chili sauce. You can mix it up with deviled eggs. It's just a great artichoke relish, and it stands alone too. You can just serve it with crackers. We have the Slathering brand, which I love. This is the easiest thing you can do for a company coming over for a quick cocktail. Put some meatballs in the chafing dish and just pour this right on top, and it makes a great sauce for your meatballs. They have two kinds, the regular and the bold. But the bold is really good. It's got a little bite to it. But it's such an easy recipe. You just pour a couple bottles over top of the meatballs. We do carry a line of cookbooks in the store, and this one's called Cast Iron Cooking. It has tons of recipes using just your iron skillet. This is a really good book to use. It has really nice pictures in it. The book is called For the Love of the South by Amber Wilson. It has great recipes for hush puppies and cornbread. This is another nice southern cookbook. Now y'all know how much I like Natalie Dupree. We had her a couple years ago up to the museum, and she brought her own little oven and taught us how to make biscuits. This is her latest book. This is a hardbound book, which is a popular book we sell in the store. Another Natalie Dupree cookbook is Shrimp and Grits. It's all about the grits and the shrimp. It's a beautiful book. Look at that. It's got great color photos. This would make a great gift. But this is a great book by Natalie Dupree. With that, we have the Carolina Gold rice. We carry the aromatic rice. This is the best rice. It takes about 45 minutes to cook. But when it's cooking, it smells so good, and it cooks up nice and fluffy. So for a quick gift, if you need to take somebody a housewarming gift or a bridal shower gift, it'd be great to include a book. You just get a container, a basket or something that you have at the house. Put your book in the back. Here we can use the grits in the front. And then maybe a honey would be good. Then you could take a sprig of something and just put something in front there. But this makes a really easy, practical, useful gift. Sometimes people don't want things they have to keep and dust and stuff, so they can use the rice, they can use the honey and the grits and see. And a little effort makes a whole lot of difference. It makes a really nice gift. So every time I sell this book, I'm begging people to please try to make me. Doesn't that look good? It's a caramel cake. And every time I sell it, I said, would you mind making me that cake? I have yet to get this cake. So knowing I probably wouldn't get it, I ended up trying it last night. So I do have a cake here today, this caramel cake. Now look at that nice moist caramel cake. So we would like for you to check out all our products on the store, and we appreciate you coming, visiting us today, and we will see you next week when we see What's in Store Friday.